to our showcase of the 2024 Subaru Ascent, presented by Peoria Subaru. Today, we're going to dive deep into all the incredible features that make this SUV a standout in its class. The 2024 Subaru Ascent boasts a bold and stylish design on the road. With its rugged yet refined exterior, it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. The striking front grille and sculpted body lines give it a sporty and sophisticated look, while the available LED headlights and fog lights provide optimal visibility in any driving conditions. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and luxurious cabin that can comfortably seat up to 8 passengers. Premium materials and thoughtful design elements create a welcoming environment for all occupants. And with available features like heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic moonroof, and tri-zone automatic climate control, everyone can ride in comfort, no matter the weather outside. The 2024 Subaru Ascent is packed with cutting-edge technology to keep you connected and entertained on the go. The Starlink multimedia system comes standard with a vibrant touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration, so you can easily access your favorite apps and music. Plus, with available features like a built-in navigation system, a premium audio system, and a Wi-Fi hotspot, every journey is more enjoyable than ever before. Safety is always a top priority for Subaru, and the 2024 Ascent is no exception. With Subaru's EyeSight Driver Assist technology, you'll have peace of mind on every drive. This suite of advanced safety features includes pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure, and sway warning, and more, all working together to help prevent accidents and keep you and your passengers safe. The 2024 Subaru Ascent, a versatile and capable SUV that's ready for any adventure. With its impressive combination of style, comfort, technology, safety, and performance, it's easy to see why the Ascent is a top choice for families everywhere. You can view our selection at peoriasubaru.com or give us a call at 623-298-0141.